Hey everyone! In this video I'm showing step-by-step on how to unhide desktop icons on Windows 11 and 10, and even how to add icons to your desktop. Okay. First, to view the hidden desktop icons all what you have to do is right-click to the desktop. Select View, and then select Show Desktop Icons. To add icons to your desktop such as this PC, recycle bin, and more, select Start. Open Settings. Then under Personalization, select Themes. Scroll down and select Desktop Icon Settings. Choose the icons you would like to have on your desktop. Then select Apply and OK. So, that's how you can do it by yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and even click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video on the channel. Have a nice time.